Hello, hey, how are you? Now, now I am going to show you your all request, how to edit post, where you put email, how to edit menu, etc. So let's start. Your first request is how to post blog in consistent format as it is now. Actually, if you want to post blog, then you need to go post and click add new. Look, there you need to put post title. I just need to know that how it is. You need to put post title and here category. If you want to add new category, just click add new category and type here anything and then click add new category. And here set featured image. Just click here and choose your specific image and then click set featured image here, and then here your post content. You'll see every post here content and this form. You just need here anything. This is a content. All this thumbnail, featured image come from here. If you want use divi builder for adding post, I just adding test post and just now publish. When you publish the post, then automatically show the blog page. This one just now I created. Here automatically show. You just post when you publish post. If you want use divi builder, just click divi. And build from crash, build from page layout or clone existing page. Start building. Where section, for you easy, you copy your existing post text first of all here it is, and you need to click text. Just click select all the code and text and copy, then paste your content here. Just click text and paste here. Then you need to edit just this one visual editor and just select and type anything you need to select and type anything here. And you need, if you want change form, just click text, and this is a contact form, free contact form required one just here. And if you need edit code like code editor, just li and int li between int, just change the text here and the text here, or you can edit from visual, just click visual editor and just select text and start type and enter type etc, and then click update. Refresh the blog page and this one, click read more, this post here, text here I just now edited. That's all for blog post. And now I just trust the test post. And your second request, when do I put in my email address? So sorry, where do I put in my email address? So contact from, so that can to my come to my mail. This contract page, you need to go page and click edit contact page, this from right, contact page, and click build on the front end editor. And click, when you hover mouse on contact form, then you'll see the edit button, copy and save module library, delete module. You need to click settings and here email, here you put email address, just like this, and click save and then click here and click save. That's all for all contact form in your website. That's homepage. I think homepage have one contact form, home, yes, here just go to your homepage, edit and then click build on the front end, and then scroll down and you will see the contact from here. Just click settings and email. I already put the email, and then click here and then click save. That's all for your contact from. And your third request, how do I add menu item and link to a page? I plan to add a create photo item page. Okay, I'll show you now. Just you need to click add new page, and need to put page name, photo item creative photo item, photo items, and then click publish, and then click use the divi builder. That shows a pre-made layout. Browse, there is existing page, your saved layout and pre-made layout. You just click lifestyle. You can choose from here any one. I just show one and choose anyone. Landing page, service, contact, blog, home, about, shop. Just now you just choose any page, click here and use this layout. If you here you need to put your Elegant username and API key, then submit, then it will automatically add here the all layout. That's all, and then click update. And now I'll show you how to add menu item. Just click here, appearance, under appearance, menu. Here you'll see create photo item. Just now I created the page. Just click check box and add menu, and click and drag anywhere. Drag here and save menu. Now reload this page. Look, here the menu have. Your last request, how to get rid of EasyBook link, and you need to fix book an appointment button link. Let's start. Here home page you have this link. You need to go home page, previous home page, front page like, click edit, and click build on the front end. When load this page, then scroll down and drag, hover on book an appointment button and click settings, link, and here you need to put your specific link. I just copy the link location, contact page, and paste here, then click save, and here is booking link, settings. It's already here, no problem. Or anywhere, no, home page is done, and then click here and click save. Let's now say anywhere, need JD, no, booking link, service page, here service page, click edit, and then click build on front end, and scroll down here, hover the on book an appointment button, and then click settings, then click link and paste here your specific location link and click save, and then click here and click save. And your page it is just now created, no content here, FAQ, no book an appointment button, blog, no. That's all for all your requests. Thank you.